Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this, which is a light up sign. It's an LED sign. It's a 7.5 by 52 inch one piece, which is super cool because I've seen a lot of these. We've even done some of them that have been 2 or 3 pieces, but this being one piece makes things so much easier. So this is actually one giant piece that can either stick on the inside of a window, stick into your car. Plugging it in could not be any easier. Just simply attach it into a USB, which is what I'm going to do right here. And we'll go ahead and get this thing kicked on. It does have an on-off switch, toggle switch on the actual cord, and the cord's pretty long. They also send you with some additional tape that you can tape this to the inside of a windshield or the inside of a storefront. You do get a battery-operated remote and a user guide. So the main way you're going to connect this thing is actually just through this app. It's this LED iPixel Color app. When you bring it up, it actually has the device. You can connect to it. It's going to link to it, and then from there, connection is successful. You now have access to any of these cool features that it has in there. A lot of these you might want to use would be like, you can set up a clock, so you can set up a date for the clock, select your different way that you want to have that in your store, in your window, things like that. You have ways to do it-yourself pictures, gallery. This is really cool because like on the inside of cars, it's kind of a trending thing right now that people want to put these eyeballs on the inside of their car to make their car look like it's got eyeballs, which is kind of cool. So I'll go out and show you that here in a minute. But we've also got other preset ones that it puts in here. If you had a smoke shop, if you had any kind of a pizza place, you can put I love my pizza, and it puts the graphics on there. So that's really super cool. And you can also customize this to any other feature you want. You can even take pictures of things and have it automatically put it on there, or just draw your own. So really nice, really bright. This flexible panel is super cool. Let's go out and put this in a car and kind of show you what it looks like inside of a vehicle. Okay, so here we've got a couple of different eyeballs in the car. So if you're going to be driving along, maybe you want to have some evil eyes. We've got some purple eyes. They've got different kinds of eyes. Maybe you want to have little lazy eyes. We can put those in there. But this just gives you a lot of versatility to be able to put these things in here. There's some little evil eyes there. And again, you can see how this works out through a window. So if you're going to have a coffee place, or if you've got a ramen shop, any kind of thing that you want to do, maybe even a barber shop. So these have a lot of great preset versatilities. You can also just put on emojis and do different things with that. This is a really cool deal. It's very nice that it's one solid piece and it's large so that you don't have to worry about syncing up multiple pieces together, which I really like. This would work great in a vehicle, great for an Uber. This would work great for a business, or just hang it up in your house for a fun time.